In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a payment on account using Xero. If you're looking to streamline your accounts and make sure everything lines up just right, you're in the right place. Let's dive in step by step to ensure you're on track. First, you need to log into Xero accounting software. Navigate to the Xero login page. It's quite simple. Once you're there, look for the login button and click on it. When you're on the login screen, you'll want to enter your email and password. Make sure these details are input accurately to avoid any login issues. After entering your credentials, go ahead and hit the login button. Once you're logged into Xero, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your main hub in Xero, where all your financial data is initially displayed. From the dashboard, you'll want to look for and click on Reconcile Items. This is the area where you'll match bank transactions to the payments made or received in Xero. Next, select the customer invoice that you want to reconcile. It's important to make sure you're selecting the correct invoice to ensure accuracy in your records. After selecting it, click on Find and Match. This is where you start linking payments to the correct invoices. Once you've found the corresponding invoice, you'll want to select the Match Invoice option. This confirms the connection between the payment and the invoice in your records. After that, click on New Transaction. This action is preparing you to categorize the transaction properly within Xero. Then select Receive Money from the options. This is critical for transactions that involve incoming payments. Next, hit Direct Payment. Selecting this option helps streamline the process of allocating the funds correctly within your accounts. You'll see an option to change the payment to overpayment. This is necessary if the amount received exceeds what was expected. It's always best to adjust for accuracy at this step rather than later. Now, click on Save Transaction. By doing this, you're ensuring all the information you've input is stored correctly within Xero, keeping your accounts up to date. Finally, with everything set, you are ready to reconcile. This finalizes the process, linking the payment with your records definitively. Finish up by clicking OK. This step closes the loop, ensuring that everything balances nicely, and there you have it, a seamless way to post a payment on account in Xero. By following these steps, you can ensure that your books are accurate and up to date. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide if you need a refresher.